Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Spark Mark, and I'm back to do another on enveloping and a bit of a review of what did I got from from this envelope from the folks over at GalaxyCon. So yeah, enough chit chat. Let's rip it up and see what's inside. Like right now. Alrighty, now what did I receive in the envelope? Well, it's a signed poster of what movie you say. Now, before I show you, does anybody know who Sam Raimi is? Well, he's a well-known director and other big budget, but he began his career doing short films and this and that, and among other things. And he did a lot of work doing with his brothers, Ted Raimi and his brother Ivan, and of course their best friend Bruce Campbell that did other things. I'll leave you a link in the description box. Good Bad Flicks is review for The Evil Dead, how that became a huge hit, and then did the sequel, did other projects, and then for this particular one, Army of Darkness, aka Evil Dead 3, they did. Well, this is not signed by Sam Raimi. It's signed by one of the effects artists of the film. And I got that from GalaxyCon. And here it is. Army of Darkness, folks. Wow. I can't believe I got me a Army of Darkness signed poster. I mean, look at this, folks. And this, of course, was signed by one of the effects artists, Robert Kurtzman. Now, Robert Kurtzman, if you don't know who he was a technician and effects artists and makeup effects artist for films From Beyond, Night of the Creeps, Nightmare on Elm Street 3, creature effects crew for Predator, Evil Dead 2, Phantasm 2, and what else? He worked with the Kevin Yeager Production Inc. for 976 Evil and Halloween 5, The Revenge of Michael Myers, and the Dream Child, Nightmare on Elm Street 5, and then The Horror Show, Deep Star 6, and some other ones, including, of course, Tremors, Exorcist 3, Dark Man, and what else did he do? Jason Goes to Hell, Dr. Giggles, Leatherface, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3, Maniac Cop 3, Pumpkinhead 2, In the Mouth of Madness, that was directed by John Carpenter, Lord of Illusions, Vampire in Brooklyn, Scream, and I did say Army of Darkness, as well as People Under the Stairs, and from Dusk Till Dawn, Spawn, Wishmaster, The Faculty, John Carpenter's Vampires, and House on Haunted Hill, and Little Nicky, Spiders 2000, that was directed by Gary Jones, Bubba Hotep, Evolution, 13 Ghosts, and he was the effects artist. He was on credits for an effects artist in Bad Boys 2, Ghost Ship, and Cabin Fever, Cursed. Plenty of other familiar works that you may remember or not, especially the Texas Chainsaw Massacre: The Beginning. Now, this guy sure as heck did a lot of work in the 80s and 90s and millennium, but this one, folks, is amazing. This is an awesome movie. No lie, no kidding. And yeah, it was distributed by Universal Studios and produced by also another producer involved from the company, Dino De Laurentiis Communications. Of course, obviously, you've heard of the name, and you heard me talked about Dino De Laurentiis, an Italian producer, but a jerk, who, of course, he intervened with the production. Same with Universal Studios, the ratings board. They cut the film so many times. They trimmed stuff from the deadites, the skeletons, and scenes and stuff. And the ratings board gave the film an NC-17. There's no gore in this movie. Let me be clear on that. Just a bit of language and some scariness and stuff, but there's no gore or nudity in this movie. But they gave the film an NC-17. Like, what the hell? That, and also I'm gonna leave you a link in the description box down below for the making of Army of Darkness, which is a 2016 interview with Bruce Campbell and Marcus Gilbert that played Lord Arthur, and some effects artists, some actresses and actors as well that were involved in the film. The composer Danny Elfman, I believe, is in, and also Joseph DeLuca is interviewed. He's a composer. So yeah, but all in all, this guy did a great job in the film. Greg Nicotero and Howard Berger, no, Greg KMB Effects and Greg Nicotero did the effects as well, and Robert Kurtzman as well. So yeah, I got this at GalaxyCon around December, November of 2023, and it took a while to get here, and now I have it. But I don't care. There are 3 cuts of the film, so if you got the Blu-ray from the Screen Factory edition, you're good. If you have the 4K version, you're good as well. Because there are 3 different cuts: theatrical cut, international cut, and the director's cut. You got 3 cuts of this movie. So yeah, let's give a shout to that. Let's give a shout out to GalaxyCon and Robert Kurtzman. So yeah, if Bill Moseley comes to a signing or something, or anyone from this movie, or there's a screening, I'm gonna bring this to get some other people sign it. Plus, of course, stuntman actor Tom Morga did the stunts for the film. He didn't play any characters in this film. He just did stunts. That's it. Wow, that was a mouthful. So yeah, folks, let's give a shout out to GalaxyCon, Robert Kurtzman, and that let's give a shout out to you all. So if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of new uploads. Like the videos and comments down below. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Thursday, y'all, and catch you on the next vid. Later.